Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And as we can clearly see that market is not moving much. Yesterday, because of bank holidays, the market was silent. But today also we can see that more or less the volume is missing, because of which the market seems to be in a sleepy mood. So my dear friends, be careful with your open positions, because during the US session we may get to see some big moves. And more or less we also have a news coming up. This is not a big event that will change the direction of the market or have the potential to change the direction, but yes, it may show some volatility. And as the volume is missing right now, so you need to be extra careful with your breakout trades. As I said earlier yesterday, that for a breakout or breakdown, market requires volume, which is missing right now. So in this situation, you should be careful with your breakout and breakdown trades as long as volume is missing. Okay, so let's get started. So as we can see that right now gold is standing at 1939. Okay, this is the current market price here, and overall the trend of the market has not changed. We can still see the market is in downtrend, the buyers are struggling, sellers are trying to dominate the market, etc. So the things have not changed at all. Okay, but the volume, the spice of volume is missing. So in this market situation, usually we always see market breaking the support and going down. And in this market situation, and truly, okay, the support levels do not work. But right now, volume is missing, so you can expect the level to work. The level of 1935-36 to work as support if market shows a downside. But during the US session, if market shows a big red candle, then obviously it will not work. So this is how you can judge the market with the help of volume. See, the volume is so powerful that if there is no volume, then obviously this level will work. And if volume comes during the US session, then market will try to break the support and market will try to fall further. So what should be your trading strategy then? So as long as the volume is missing, you can look for reversal trades. For example, market hits the previous low of 1936-37, you can look for a buy. Okay, already I'm on a buy. Okay, and during the day, if market starts moving up, then you can look for some sell around 1957 to 1960. This is also a minor resistance, but during the day, as the volume is missing, if market hits the level, you can expect the market to reverse. If market reverses according to our expectation, we can definitely look for a sell around 1957 to 1960 level. And above 1957-60, we have resistance around 1969. Okay, around 1969 we have also a good resistance. We have already discussed about these levels and how we have derived these levels on Saturday yesterday, so I do not want to repeat the same stuff. If you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday and yesterday also. So 1969 seems to be a logical resistance, and also 1957 to 1960, but 1969 is a better resistance in comparison to 1957 to 1960. But the problem is that volume is absent in the market right now, so you can expect 1957-60 to work as resistance as well. But good sellers are present at 1969-70 level. Okay, now, and as long as volume is missing, if market shows a downside, what should be your trading strategy then? Okay, so if market comes down also, then obviously you should avoid any sell position as long as there is no volume in the market, because there's a high chance that you will take a sell position but market will not move down and you will stuck in your trade. Okay, so during the US session or before US session, but if volume comes, then only take a sell position below 1935 or 1936 level. And as I have already mentioned in my previous videos, that if market breaks this particular support here, we do not have any immediate support. Okay, if market breaks this level, we do not have any immediate support, so there can be a big fall. If not a straight line. Okay, at least you can expect that market will be heading towards the next support level of 1909, 1910 level, because we have the next support around 1910, 1909. There's a gap of almost you can say that 200 to 250 pips. Okay, market may come down to fill this up. So let's wait and watch and wait for the market to show some volume. As long as volume is missing, things are a little bit tricky, and if possible try to avoid trading breakouts. And on the other pairs also, okay, there is not much volume, so nothing much to say.